Kudwa lon wacha kamoth we koi ke Facebook kujaya koi bor in particular ke kai audience Caribbean jamon ke koi to in the United States particularly and also koi bor to around the globe. And ke deng de luet mayom leader of Greater Bor Community United States of America. Kibi yen ben jamon wake briefly acha luel war kulwel and be message about release either be ben in writing or be a small video clips like this one. Kene aluo ne kuwar chiro la loy pani choy Michigan. Before being into it, ke tueng allege en ka yen koy bor allege did wage Greater Bourbon in the United States and particularly koi war che ben amari commitment cha tau into it acha ting nyin kia ni near ba acha ting. I wholeheartedly apologize on behalf of Greater Bor community leadership for the inconvenience chiro loy kin election kinera loy. I also apologize for any other inconveniences chiro loy ben as a result of that. Including jam to nong wera chiro luel nong chirandir ke kena lo and apologize tanje pioria. I understand you. I understand your feeling. We panda yung kaka community kana kaka community inang a lot about that community tader alabi yo chike kanga chijaria ka pay community anong nuor kidi ga ki ja pe di de ko chro la lo war pa ne choy Michigan was one of a kind kira kong loy in our history in the United States of America for anything as a leader of this community I take everything on my leadership and I apologize for everything that happened so can abatoya Nale ben we panda Kichiro Michigan ache ke laralo ke gambrao part of it anong what has been accumulating with time on gola kudan Greater Bor in the United States of America akut ken kola duk ken call coach la nyong most of the time but we manage Boku community Boku Puch. We came together and became very united at one point in 2000 and I would say 2011 I would do 2013 before December community the state of our community was very strong we can loy together unity was being felt within the community and a good moment at it. In the United States, if we can stop a little bit, pause a little bit, and reflect on over those period of time, we can feel when things start to go wrong. Minigolo machakirot pari junub we koi kwa tong walo rot pani junub Japan riok to koi kwa cheke riokarit tong kena chawate to pan bor and we have to be very honest and sincere about that ideologically I work divided and also to work hurt in a huge way in that crisis we know especially a lot of damages akalore the daman on kin ga tok lel on kuye nga lo ngo ko ja nim jol ya ko ke pinga very day bad news after bad news after bad news kene a lot of damages are roloy in terms of our relationships ko a randang be ben Jesus is not coming down from heaven chamba our relationship with ben lo live not this time eko wo pay ko ko bor we have to go back to ourselves. Kubuku would understand ku buku ti chi kang wai bu biang tao today. Ku can did a rate in the call quantum by. Jambiki are recognizing that. Could be bigger relationship because we to look at men. Kaya ko ba nyon yan ekenum. War bir yang pan junuk. Boku te way. I want to tell Koi Borovan the ideology, the principle of my leadership. The Mayo Pan Greater Board in the United States. Watch a jam in the government. Watch a jam in on different views from the government. Watch a jam in as long as in man pan board, regardless of your views, regardless of what ideology are you supporting, we see you as one of our community members. All of us have been Wakai community members. This has been the philosophy of my leadership for the last years. Minigola Tonga Junub Road. And I believe that's why our community in Ngotgato together, we are one Himar. The first one in Michigan after the crisis in 2013, the first one in Michigan in 2014. A lot of people, Dallas, a lot of people actually now out cry, right? That the time was not right, that we would not be able to do this meeting, but I have been put when there are crises in the because people have to resolve those crises. What you been emerge stronger up until throughout until the incident of Jabal War, Michigan. Kia Korba Nyon Panda relationships, our fabric, social fabric, actually weakened by a lot of external stuff. Now, what happens really in Michigan? Before we go to Michigan, the term of my leadership was coming to an end. The new leader acquired Michigan. We had candidate Shiro Jor back in the days. Some months back, Kawachanang a huge problem with Duke County. Duke community here in the United States, we pull out from Greater Board because of the MP distribution crisis in Jonglei State in South Sudan. The unfairness in that the distribution of MPs, Chiduk County is affected at home, actually been replicating itself here in the United States. Now let Duke County let Louis pull out. Kekin actually work affected big time. Duke actually in the board of directors of Greater Board community. So since May something up until now, Duke members in the board of directors are Liu. Most people in the executive are Liu, except one person, Chelwell, Kulwelean, KIA executive member, and I am KIA individual, Chambapan Bor Baloy. I respect the decision of my community. However, I'm going to also continue to serve Greater Board community. But that is only one person, Mayombol Aju. We thank Mayombol, and he is Secretary General of the community, of Greater Board community. Only Mayombol Aju can get a dong from Duke County, his own individual stand. That's how it had affected us. Candidates, Bekar, either Kerke, can somebody or Kerke on their own, like Mayombola Chuk declare a Bekar, can be your recommendation letters from Duke County. This problem which have been affected, and what we had done, work a consultation law in the other two remaining counties of T, Kubor, Kuja leadership, Greater Board, and executive, remaining board members and executive. On law consultation, where the young below agreement was reached that Wabula Twinkin program community could do county about engage, could work Wabula Michigan election of law new leader be quiet. This was the for Tweet community change leadership. This was Kualanyan the Kual, Kujakala Gwang Kualanyan the Kual on Tweet side, Kuakola Gwang Board County. Kuja leadership of Greater Board community. So what you are authorizing elections, campaigns because of doing the candidates be job ko lo ko ya nai pe doro ka tui community a chinang a change of leadership. Bulu tuin de dut a chu kwan ken team de ko bul a kendoi ben on board kan ka kwana get a board and a pech kwan we try to give him time kwala nya push things a little bit nai pe doro pe ber beginning of pe ber and thing the first meeting chukulo ken uncle makir kur ka watch leadership of three community chuk invited and kwala nya kwal and that time kwala che benjam ka bulenga kor we jo we invited right now. We invited Bull Benja Mangoria Louis my office put together and Moria chair ready, Naka Jumorica lawyer cake. So Kuala Nya could ready to do that, Kualaka Twin Kualabaka Jabri. What am my uncle Makirba lawyer without a tea representation. And then we were approaching September, Wingalena, Michigan. Kuala Nyado and Achiti in Bukoi Quine, Koi Electoral Committee, waiting Bugatir, the next leader, Goletir, the next leader. However, he had approved that election of Bella, Kajwe Loke community, Alvigoro Loy, Kadu community, Bunjomor Kajala Quancho. While able to Jane Ben on board, could be Ben Louis engaged in a Kaloy cake. The first meeting took a chol, Chua cake, chol, a meeting among two agenda items. Two agenda items Kalu Cake introduced, one of them Ekere Electoral Committee, because the Ankwan, Chan Bike ya joining the board members who are working on election. Kirero, Ekere name adjustment. Achi Akwela Luel, Kukinakar, we are very clear. Name adjustment keep being a changes were law by Chuanang our own state, Koi board from Chuakiri to Eton, Wakaiga Choi Jonglei. State right now. Young live before what you and on around and on anywhere and on everybody. So what you been asking Koike executive board what you teach because renewal of registration of our organization is due to pay back. So what you teach book organization book registered K Greater Board Community USA as it was. Or should we consider the changes to the law at home? Here we nang a state now. So in other words, what you nang two things. What you nang our ethnic identity in Bor, or nang our state identity in Jonglei. So can I do the go to unanimously that will be an answer to that. Kabuku law, Abuku Jor bank counties. Bank counties are what they think. Now, local tea, Kayanga Chicken Adventure, one of the second agenda items. On Low Walmart, August 12th, KN, 3 county leaders, Kadiaka Japan, Yologonya Chichayo, Kulayan Bar, Babera Mari. One of the items we could discuss a possibility of name adjustment to be we are considering changes to the law at home. I talked him into coming because there's something big. Who appears the voice of the ping. Chibella Temarit Bijama community there, who lake or key Tingabonial, Golula Laka La Pianca. So you're like a bamban in that meeting for the first time in Uluke pull out from Greater Board community leadership or community as a whole in the US. Bulutun do the Japan, I call Agwangong Japan. A local introduction of the agenda items Kachuka introduced, I call Agwangong Jam. That first agenda, I'm a Koiki. Abagabe Koikero, Koike Electoral Committee. You're going to jam a part of the election because Duke Louis pull out one time. So Duke is not actually part of the election process. Bulutun do a jam will election a jam bear, but a chinting a ban bear, Veka agenda chin in a ban bear, I shall end and about to unite tree, but we community a non issue actually can this issue with Tarin. So I mean, she and Ben Yala, I would like a bathing. Could be and bathing. I always like about your about the Koiki. Could be collecting young big in the air, be a in organization since you were not greater board or non young lady. Kene, I see you going to change well. Yeah, then too, Kene is deputy, I will demagwar. That agenda number 2 can have you agenda in name adjustment. Chan book bumping ku bu ko jor bu ko bo ko ke du na bi jola decide bi na ka ber ke tin when be chen ke ber ke tin since she ke part of the system right now akola ngong say the same thing too that can aba joria ko ba yen ko ke bor county ko ka bi la decide bi ke ber tin when chi ke ber tin yong bi ke wel ke chu emphasize a ki yinu ke we ko ka ba ber ke le ra ke yinu ke a blank check in other words a chin ki chu ku le re ne ke live chwer ke re ne choy ke ne la chwer ke re ne choy ke alwel ko bat buku change chiro loy bai buku consider here what you can consider in kai question ke chuku loy be very clear too is that I think ke jadi la cha kriye je ben la ben has to be aka to bai so we may has you in hun cha be yin ngai dit ye ngai ina ban den bai na la ben o gre da bor ko buku ti nga ban bai ka ba dia lo ke honorable mo ko lo ala ben wani jong lay ka bu diang ti yin yang ai na ban jong lay ba ka ba diang le governor honorable gwen pa nyang la ben wani der pe der chinom le da her home ke kene criteria worth enough to say can have a drop keep it considered ka we made that clarification we jege jal ko jogo po jogo le day 26 August 26 inga bu wala do kuna loko do ka ba ka ben lo e ke chi ko la be we panda day 26 I love benefit to community ben ku jam ka ci jongole community ci chwer greater Bor County ci greater Bor ci chwer ku du county ci la ben ke cin kelwel because I ci part of the system I ci lwel until we come back to the union ka wo ci la boko ya la ko jam kangi so I ci ben ku ke neutral I cin say ne kene ene ke ci ro lo also Benabi to report Chwadin a kin full report a king bay Kaitlu report to has 60% of the voting Kulela Gananga 2 more by arms can ben so Bulutin do it as promised that ability do no work sometime in a day or two but work in the rest of the report Kina Kiraben lawyer up until we are date 30 or Wednesday before Bola Michigan the following Friday nga jo bol to indu jela ben kene full report ya be le yen bai ben ci chwer jong lay ku ke chro loy and also a reservation on election I think I tui mana de election la loy Michigan kena che fair bro loy ke duglew we have to be considerate of the fact that one of our brothers aliw kene Wepanda, this was the first time between community be solid clear. Even though we noticed reservation, Banjbulu Tuja Kina responding, like I call like Yamakoi Bay, Yamakoi Bay. I jam the Krakoi electoral committee can be your chinema. Kukakin Ben solid clear whether the election law or not. What token a previous position while I in the fall. Can I get Kitcher Benjalo, Wepanda? A jogo jam bulutu ken team de chugo jalo lim ban temare di de do ko election chora loy na yetin kare le jare tin yin ki ding ro di le nin when your team ku ba bel wel tong physical in Michigan ken a chi le ko le yen ki a ting e bu position to position paper ku liu ku to ta da bi yang realia as well since it's all happening in the last minute now ken a chu ben ta when jam di da re di da wo je ban bulu chu long ni na pa ken team de che bel wel ye na bu jo bela dala che man ku jo ko dong la ni ko wo ko gere da board executive ku board ku jo ko li jam badal ko bul tu ke che ke la work as to why it would be very difficult for him to make it to Michigan a chu ka ben tingi ku jo ko jam ku lu ko agree that we have to come up with some guarantees bu ko la bul tu such as we will recognize his leadership kichilwel yana ka boko lom because in 2010 anong leadership twi chi kong ben ko leadership du kon chi ke jam members of those communities including my own sub and yakaj at that time was we proceed any election anyway kichu ko banting war 2010 ku ko wa thio aka wa ki communities a chamat a chi lui dialogue gender the twi ke lu ka chi be part of election ala ben from the grassroots e twi ben en chamat now compared to 2010 ke leaders ke ka lo Michigan ko ka ke chin age chin amar ke members ken also actually leadership to in 2010 then a poor and get on ke chin lo nam ke be ko be mani ta der ken tin ke no ke one of the things you ran chi and cholom risk to go against my own people because I'm here the community on ko on jaben be leadership form kuna non ka lo ke la ka lo ko la whether it was wrong or not kachiri kake ka aye ka joy yok tinaman there are no consequences joy lorot now back to the point what you ben jali jam jo le bul tu tabu yen guarantees ko bu diang long red be ben ko bu yen respect whatever chi lwel bu ko lom ka chi tu lwel kenon chuo jo nyo bi la ni bu jo le ka ko ting ka bu ko lo yen di jogo long lwel ku ba di rot or to somebody benang physical presentation of your representation of your position bul tu ja ben jam ko lwel ke yen won chu la jam ya we have resolved that I'm ran about to I'm an ran about ben kwen ale na garanga che jo delegated the ben on behalf of Tweet community they actually debated and ko some other few members of the leadership achuku suggested man adaga kene abu la ran cho banya ko la right away in a new position chira loy emphasize that word ke anchi kurbu banya ko la gwek be and back go again for the second time cha Congo ridon Benedicto Majanga go New York kuna be go this time kulele kini la ke dang on time ka kina chipet many people watch ka ben we work on jamo ya in my leadership kula yen kene condition le bien le banya ko chan wo don only one day go la ko Michigan amar leadership anyway condition le bien le ko le na chi tui la ben ke chi ran den bo be position de la lo physically then ke condition kene yena ka le bien yen jo la ko la banya ko ke ro lo ke bana chi tui gam ga no ran den bo whether e bulam bo we no ran den bo ka chi ne need to tell banya ko ku ka chi ne need to let people know because kena le ko discourage rate ku ko ran to query ben men ran che lo indol ka bo chi ran le ko bad time pure women people are already coming unfortunately this is where we went wrong we were wrong right there so what la Michigan na lo la mare leadership ko wo jong wo presentation kene ke da ngi go on election abro loy betting on that we will dialogue we will try to convince each other and hopefully two of the counties get out in election already will agree unfortunately what bela jam the whole night ko leaders from 10 p.m. go to 8 in the morning getting solution ye bore ye lwe election latin uduka bejo la kor ko lwe tu no duka kon latin be call them ubugo election November loy tamanda kena ya back and forth what break a chuku jabe lo in the morning ujo le decision akor bi loy decision che loy kene by the way a jonga tonga juk ene ka che ben ke in head of delegation of Bor County was very well represented almost all parliament ka che ben kwen alien geren gabo ke delegation head of delegation tui not a lot of people ke che ben along a leadership along tui ko ke ko ke aga chi leaders ken bulutu aje kwen ale che yen authorization between represent and same thing was true for Jongatong so when you go in a break a chulu en man wo te penya churun let's break up let's Bor County go and meet kulwa consultation kana kola gwet ti lal marke kulwa consultation kana bolutu ko gereda bor wo bla mat when we come back it's time for decision we have to make a decision na lok du chen we panda ka position a je ben remain the same for both Bor and Twi ka way leadership of Greater Bor decision a chuku ja ben loy do ko le ka bra loy when we walk about ka yo ngi ku ware entire election la to ngai ngi two counties are on the same page ku election level loy ku ke two counties ka avenue le da bi ko ku community bi ko ri bi do bi bay now that in the event another county to be ben your way for election chiro loy ku ka chi be a part of it that will leave one county into election can actually a good condition enough jambo community that be married can I chu bele can na in the event I won and below kala election lo kala election abe cancel cha lueli adang to that they will be thinking that mentioning election council can be quite of bani therefore cha lueli election abroad lo this year ke concession ke is something that I'm giving away to the community election abroad lo this year ko buku put only up to November 3rd November Thanksgiving weekend could this 3-month period abi use ke time to we would duk bu we tem bu we engage ko we twi ko we bor ko we grera bor na la du ken ben during this period of time ko what you be back go election abu bo jogo loy also election na yugo loy ka bro loy even though na cho ku chila ben wodia le ben one county ka bo loy election la county liu ka de ke dia ken ka coalition of the willing ko ni ara kunom ken from choi ke to choi ton will come together ko kwan ka banden because kene abichin chin ke be rio election abla twen kene e ke chuko jalwel the question of legitimacy of my leadership came up because my leadership was expiring that day following day I asked Twi community do you have a problem with legitimacy of this leadership for this period of 3 months Twi say no I don't question your legitimacy and Bor I think really about legitimacy right there, you know. But Duke, we know for sure Duke was saying Manada here and Kwanya Michigan and Chica be recognized. So these were the two challenges to get out. And Wilke took the pure Kachiko the pure Ria Gairo Will when she decision Jalloy. Jalake can get grand decision. We have to take it. We have to bowl up on him bad and go leadership. Ben Bugula Kojikani, Bugula community. Election is today for this reason. So, because I get pure well, who was united, Kujoko remove, Kujoko for Amara Chijato. That Martin, and non members can do county, Kajaban in town, go by Bishop Daniel Denga board. Tell well, wherever big Martin today, we're going to vote in a bit. Let's join hands and let's go to the American thing, Kubuke Lamont, Kubuka Lamas and decision to go lower Bukulaka or Kainal, Kujelko Amadeni. Ci koy ben inspired ku ñaar ku jogo lañ doon jalon jël wo wot ko ci mat after ci wo pio wela red I could see kiye choy pan bor at that time in get handa way jam but when we reach a conclusion when we make a decision we unite behind it yenge ke lorat exactly on jël wo wonu malon my ton wing we were very united. We were bitter that election was not going to happen, but we took it. We knew it was in the best interest of our community. Okay. Now you will at the General Assembly. Kaya nga chalwel manaraki and presentation bukong loy to enable her coach manaraki election a shiro below today. Asha na one which in chingiche lui lake a chica a she's young thing. So presentation can I shiro loy? Candidates kadia aka chaga invited amar wako mar Friday night aka chi jam they knew yung chu wow aguchi techi ka talk and they were okay with it they stood with us as well so when she and presentation to loy I chaga cho jam again in the before the community chan big ya laying out the what was happening last night what yung chi ko witness they did that ka chu wow ku techi ka koitin ku weden na jelo side wa tiga counties karani kompen tuen ko ngale na garan bokul wel ke chiro wel na ko te kaje tuitin te kaje tuitin now next e Bor County now banya ko la gwengo nga ci jaben ka joto in the meeting wa jati ye banya ko le mi jam ko ya jonga tong a jok won to na ko kana wo le banya ko le na be jam jaben le ke yen ke chal banya ko na bo banya kon makarapo to ka jabo ku chola jonga tonga jo le ba gwer ko na ko in chani gata tin bo ko gwer jok to na chi jot to ko jama makarapo dom ku jele hai ke lwel we panda e kun chi le de chimare ato de kin ki aja lwel ke a ko la we ngong that we koi to ten we audience kin we nong a say you have to either support ko chi le de chimlwel kin for election bi rochi loy or you can object it to election law road. Your voice matters. Woko Joman. Shortly before Amar, these communities are really brief. In the beginning, Bor County, Chirachol, Kule Road brief for quite a long time. And then Tui followed, Kuchora, collected Jamten. And thing. So this thing a charcoal Chijoben present and thing go Kwajol Yamni Maret. Questions actually in the audience because the what I see young election, Gerald law and all that stuff I should explain. And thing more yara number Jadira rate and Nonkoy really election let them abroad law can actually reason enough. And I think. So an Ben leadership of Ben Cholaben. Kulago jama ko jala e kanu me ka ko jala banya kol ken ibri yomi ko bembe chorli amni make a long story short position the counties never change even at that point three ngor maintaining position there Kubor is maintaining position there with the same scenario so I still said kene election ashirable law will have to stick to decision wona mi adu chukuloy ku yene ka be ngor ga le ko we so, can Banyako raise again the question of legitimacy of my leadership? And I told him he has no problem, Dugachin problem. By democracy, the Yinia will hear Bor County. However, na can't bind being gave over Yinga. Gole yin a Lebayin board or a Lebaquena committee. Talwella Kola going on. Board a cheerful board. Board right now, quite a Duka Lucy, Chirantum Tati. A tree could board Kagata right now. The government board could not area if you win a bulletin do Karan where Bebenam, the quite a jot. Kaking don't get around away them. The same thing is true for a committee level form. A committee level 9 the same fate as well. So this big bind be in board or big bind be in committee is a bit might better be election Chalalo Road. Okay, one county lawyer. Could be run to quite democratically be I and bind. Can he get much better? It all tell in by a call Kakadia keep it. Kia think a bit every status quo be kept. Be election to Guir in November. Could look in local program called one Kayoko Kakawang Michigan could you this chapter election. I call a Kengam. What you do think Kulong or yeah, get and go jam lot wing? While Jam was going ahead and you better meet Kulaku Chala call Kuchal Quengalu, Kubela Koi Wadia. Let me go. Let's have our community. I call. I want you Balu stand with me. Jambu Koi together, community pure Georgia, will go cooking in get a community coin. Call by pure war. Because buying by Chuaping, Kuliria, that's a good precedence. I pit with the zeal of giving leadership to Ranchi Kwan Beto. So, let's do what is right for our community, get in the best interest of our community. I call a chingo de jam, can I then can I be real and well, these people then, quite these people have lost confidence in you. You should provide Jalki Ban. Pajala Banakoli, how do you know that? Golo, I just know they lost confidence in you. What did you have you lost confidence in me? And go cheap bear return. Chinok will then quite a quite a quite a quite a cooking in cake. The chin election chalorot, what is Jelwan leadership here? These people who chin Kalua can impeach right here. Yeah, Kenya. Jajang or Lag and Banacol, Kuyam Chawaja it, Kenya and Yaloya. Why do they lose that confidence in me? Well, your time at Chato. Well, okay. I know that Lakin Bany Chako by Chwarpin. Chako by Chwarpin, Chako by Yen committee, Chako by Yen board. The only thing I may do is by election Chalalo Road. Well, Kala Sabajo, your decision. Whatever I have my decision, I have my decision, then I have to decide when I think of it. You know, when you election at Chirolo in Capit. You know, we election of Bello in November. Well, Bajolati. Ting Wapanda. Kenawan, jumping what standing my ground, Kulala, Yen Kiating in the best interest of our community, every election of Rochelle. Jam be na local do chin ya, cotton in good, which you ran be a bell and I, Damanchi gum, Tadaching Aben. There are we status quo, you could cap Chan Kimuga leadership, can you editorial there, but the fact that Anna Quine, a Chiralaba pool could jar, I am a Ben could name quite a good jorga. Kene engke ki yang na chok rana bin pul ya chok ku donga to ka community ken to community la bangot ko mo nyina good bula daman election kene yana ka ke yan pure real war Michigan wala that decision la nan ngor ko mo pet ku mo chok ana ngi consequences be ban kwa exactly yung bro loy in particular but ange benang serious consequences nga chiban akola gwa nga chemben ben ku le yene ci bor county membership is suspended kwa ci ko lu ken yan a ci ka pull e ben from greater bor leadership kene yene ke how it what thing went down we found out our lawyer call a decision kene people on a challenge decision ko daga ci ben to the podium my good friend Achun Denkur walk up to the podium gwa yen microphone can be jam chana nge achun wa na ka den ko abul gwa yen be jam so Kojic and more at a ben to the to the state. Call a going on with many people. I've been doing bigger join, bigger count. And I shall call a ben banking up a yamet. Everybody shall be. Chambicala, I am making a decision, young bigger lawyer. Now, like a ben, Kajala Ben case suspension of membership in a charcoal ben child. Kikabal, well, I can you a panda. Can I go here back a date? What was there? One year union. Only a union of our people. A collaborating decision or law can anong benefits, cook anong disadvantages. But to be honest, if I were a call, if the town in Choka College, I would have made the same decision too. Did you talk to again before I make that decision? I would have an exit strategy. Balajaladi out of that isolation charter out in one of my community, but then Baladu back to the union. I would have that strategy in place. Kulakulwa that decision, if the intention Nakol was bedom, could be delivering for his people. Chan to avoid Kunelaka Luyan impeach right now. I would have a strategy be Baladu back to the union. But the decision was I would do it. He was in a very difficult position. On the other hand, too, Akol could have in my position were in Michigan. Akol would have made the decision, Chaloy. I was also in a difficult position. With decision Aloy, Aloy in the best interest of Greater Boer community. Chanbu community bengor gato. Kayen ke joto man we panda. Union of our people date way back. Daman no kwarko good che kola kaya luel kaya ding luet aya luel pandan kene pante ke jarit kuna aya pante ke jarit kay tiek de ne luel kene this is the time for it. This is the time for us to show leadership. This is the time for us to show ke wo mariama ayel wela ke daman tayaro ne ding malwal ko jang duot ko ma cheng ding chike bay marriage ko daman ko jwe bi ko kelot ne kenim tueng. This union existed ke ye choto. More importantly, I kai wong mat I values ko share values I ka won know together kan in ke ngawa people and ke united. It's not that what the name was at the time of Yajangadwar. And as you many of you may know, I'm very sure Daman Yajangadwar, Wagachiga Choy Greater Bor. We just acquired this. So okay, I call Valuelitin Kene. I want to call on all of us. Each and every one of us know something to do. I know something to do to save our union. Kawai leadership of Greater Bor community members we met last night. We decided that I will make this statement to call on you to work up one vote in the United States to choose Panda over personal grudges, to choose Panda over political aspiration, to choose Panda over anything else that almost make you want to sacrifice our union. Also, we Koike counties, we're not part to play. Rantuing nyar buwa jam kene his heart. Era ni choy bul thing do. Bany bul in chocolate. Don't do on this table at the gate. We get man thin to win in at a chin. The whole relevant eyes are on you. The bina mocked I would be your counterpart, big bend back to the table. Yin thi kuku lanku chan bato, ki rare cruising do ne. However, the be rare nothing, ki woman, kurere, because of way the union da. Rare, I would be a call I would do, I would be your going at ben. On the other hand, by Yologonyache, great people of Duke County, as we already work together on this issue of Duke for Buejan, Greater Board System Ben in the United States of America stand with you. We feel you. We may have not done our best to help Duke, but I hope what happened in Michigan, Chief and the Greater Board, Chi Board, Kutui, ku Greater Board leadership. Chi coming to terms that election she level on Ki Liu, Yinduk. I hope a great message enough. There was no other way, Lebu way, your Milka Kwa. We love you, we want you in the union. Except to show you that. So, what the Kego Emil Gaduk. I would like to ask you back a union da. Chang Pia the Koi Kwa. Back a coin, Mukter, union can at our witching. Banyakola, Gwekachulu, where an Achak Ben Kabula Ben. But I know where for Banyakol for that. So, we're going to do, please, when the Arkeka really did, back here rethinking your position. Kichiro loy by, and the Arkubu, we are part of it together, book work point, book hoiking away, book pressure gam together. Again, I believe too. Kijor work in our union here, even though you look a buy roll out of thin as well. Kicking kungi lawyer to thin as well. But with the cancellation of election in Michigan, even though Ken Kitich and Borolo, Kuchukula Tinke Kipit, Borolo Yakaweli and she reaction she will on Kawelu. Can I anyway teach a rate from the bottom of my heart and back well? Back are doing something to save our union. To Banyakola, Kuja people of Boer County. First, I apologize to most of you were Kakajaban. Koju Chiger, Koju Tired, Big Ben, Michigan. Only to come and meet disappointments. I apologize for that. Banyakol, I understand the decision, Chaloy. And to give you credit, decision Chaloy, Enga Chuwacha DLR. At the same time, Achikur Betotinia. Achikur be in decision Chibor County law once and for all. I would like you with your leadership, Kukoika Boer County, Bakadianga also doing your part to save the union. Banyakol, Kitil Baloy too, to help us. Koika executive. Kukoika board of directors in Greater Boer community. Palaka wo. Who Changwang di do there Changam can Alabayuka Choja Kai in a good them and being banned. Because Nabuko Dugdi, I will need these people to help me go get Duk. Nareleka hit, kill Lumkoika board, Kukoika executive, I kill long at Ingake pool in Banakon. So can a simple decision you can make, in a minute. Kulelo Koika Kabaka Paul. Ankor the Koika Bakachalui, Buoka community, Buoka married together. Canadian Banakol, Ekatin Theajanongin, Chanbaloy, our community. Tenaway with their way chap the Panbor. War with there, Kenyar, Bukuloy, Panda. Kechoy community, and non a Kajuja Pay. People don't have to because agree all the time. But people have to know Yongu Cake Mar. Who can if anything mess with it, cake I the young rise up together, look stand together, Kuluke can look defend. I don't want Chamber Union that be end up in embarrassment. Some of you may think that a ding always and a embarrassed or a ding always and a year, but it's actually all of us. It's our union. It's our legacy. It's our everything. So we're Koibor, we're friends of Koibor, Chi Yan Ping, which I can later it. And I think let's get back to work. Let's roll our sleeves up. Let's get back our community together. Thank you so much. Nyali Kenaweg.